In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect PayPal to Monzo and disconnect it when needed. Let's start with connecting PayPal to your Monzo. Open PayPal and head straight to the wallet. That's the place where your saved cards and bank accounts live. Look for the option labeled Link a Card or Bank. If you want PayPal to use your Monzo debit card, choose the card option and enter the card number, expiry date and security code exactly as shown in your Monzo app or on your physical card. If you prefer to link your Monzo bank account instead, choose the bank option and enter your account number and sort code carefully. Take a moment to double check every digit. Small typos are the most common reason a link doesn't go through. When everything looks correct, confirm. Depending on your settings, PayPal may prompt you to verify the link. This could be a quick text, a code, or a notification to approve. Just follow the on-screen steps. Once confirmed, you'll see Monzo listed in your wallet, ready to use. You can set it as your preferred funding source or simply select it during checkout wherever PayPal is accepted. Now, if you need to disconnect PayPal from Monzo, it's just as straightforward. Open PayPal and go back to the wallet, find the Monzo card or bank account you previously linked, open its details and tap Remove. Confirm the removal and the connection will be disabled right away. After that, PayPal won't use your Monzo for new payments. If you have subscriptions or pre-approved payments set up in PayPal, make sure another payment method is selected so those ongoing charges don't fail once Monzo is removed. Optionally, you can also check things from the Monzo side. Open the Monzo app, look for any connected services or linked payment methods, and if available, choose Remove Account to manage the connection there. This option can vary by region and app version, so don't worry if you don't see it. Removing the link inside PayPal alone is enough. A few quick tips to keep everything smooth. Make sure both apps are up to date and ensure the name and address on your PayPal profile match what Monzo has on file. If you run into an error, a simple sign out and sign back in can help. And if the verification prompt doesn't arrive right away, give it a minute and check your notifications. That's it. Connecting and disconnecting PayPal with Monzo is quick, clear, and totally within your control. Thanks for watching and feel free to replay any section as you follow along.